to grow up with you. Cliche to say, but it's true. Tell me you see me just as I see you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cohesive tablescape for Diwali using what you have. It's all about combining elements that harmonizes in color, style and theme to set a perfect ambience. The first thing I always do is pick a color palette that captures the festive spirit of Diwali. You can go traditional with deep reds, golds and oranges, or you can opt for more contemporary look with blue, purple, pinks or white. The key here is to stick with your chosen color throughout the entire tablescape. I start by laying down a tablecloth that fits my color scheme. It could be rich, patterned cloth or a simple solid color one. Since I know today there is going to be a lot that is going to be put on the table, I have chosen a plain beige color tablecloth. And on top of that, I'll add my table runner in form of a dupatta. Layering is key here. The more number of layers you will add, the more visual interest it creates. But before I move further ahead, I wanted to share this amazing dip recipe with you. It's simple and easy and tastes absolutely delicious. It's a usual conception that for Diwali we have to use special dinnerware. But in my opinion, you can amp up any dinnerware with few little accessories which can be used over and over again. I have shared multiple number of times how with help of napkins, napkin rings, placemats, you can style a simple white plate into a gorgeous table layout. I have added all the dinner plates on either side so that I have an idea how much room is left for me to decorate. I start with the centerpiece, which is a simple candle holder. It's a DIY candle holder that I made on this channel with you all. I will sure to leave a link in the description box. And now I am creating a wave-like design, if you notice. There is also a sense of symmetry here, and with that we will break that little symmetry with adding two different types of platters at the end of the design. To add the height, I am using different objects. You can also use cake stands.
At the end of my bed, in the palm tree lightning.
Once I'm happy with my layout, I will start creating small little waves or pyramids, seeing that a three-dimensional perspective.
Always one step ahead, and I'm running behind you. I'm befriended in an illusion. And you will come back. Oh my God, it's you again. Once we were more than friends. Darling, how you been? I missed your smile.
Here's how I created these amazing floral baskets. Instead of filling it all by flowers, first lay a layer of scrunched newspapers. You can use any waste papers. You can also use floral foams, but this is a cheaper way. Now, once you're happy with the layout, we will start adding the flowers. Yellow is the pop of color for the entire decor. And you will be seeing me using 3 times at least on the tablescape. One in form of flowers, second in form of napkins, and third in form of candle holders. Aren't they looking very pretty?
So many years has gone. Now you're back again. I cannot pretend it's always you in the end. I know it's bad to take a leap into my world of fantasy, but we will make it all the way somehow. But I know now when I wake up, you will come back. Oh my God, it's you again. Once we were even more than friends. Darling, how you been? I miss your smile. Oh my God, it's you again. Once we were even more than friends. I cannot pretend.
I'm using double-sided tape to attach these plates to these glasses. I will stick one side of the tape to the bottom base rim like so. This will create a strong bond, but at the same time, you can easily remove it once the use is over.
Because I got to say, so I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do? So I'm in love with you. What are we gonna do now? Make me feel loved and treasured. You're water in the desert, my fox, my missing puzzle piece. You make me feel loved, protected. Boy, we could talk forever on the couch, sipping bourbon, please. In the morning we will start up the French press. I'll be
So there you have it, a complete guide to create a cohesive and stunning tablescape for this festive season using what you have. I hope these tips help you to set a perfect mood for your Diwali celebrations. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more decorating and cooking inspirations. I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, bye-bye.